Hey guys, welcome to the very first episode of Scotch with Somesh. And without taking much of your time, I'm going to dive right into the first segment of our show called. Welcome to the first segment of my show. This is called Quarantine Blues, and herein we'll be discussing all the crazy, weird things that people have been doing during this quarantine. For example, now, I don't know if you have come across this in this lockdown period, but there is food actually being sold on eBay, and people are bidding to buy this said food. As you can see in this image, there are McDonald's chicken nuggets being featured and sold on eBay, and there have been 15 bids, with the winning bid being of £2,500. Now you might be wondering, why is this happening and who would do this? So some of the countries are going through a national lockdown and nothing is functional, and this has led to the unfortunate trade of Big Macs and big chicken nuggets on eBay. What? Now next up in this image, a person on Twitter under the username Leon's Jogren actually spotted a man wearing a Batman costume and watching guard under the flyover in the streets of Melbourne. Imagine if this shit was taking place in India. बैटमैन तो छोड़ो, यहाँ पर शक्तिमान का प्रोटैगनिस्ट खुद शक्तिमान बनकर फ्लाईओवर के नीचे फिरकियां ले रहा होता। वो बंदे को देखा है आपने, मुकेश खन्ना? दूरदर्शन का अभी रिसेंटली प्रोमो आ रहा था, आप वो प्रोमो देखिए।
डीजीए में आ गया हूँ आपको ये बताने की डीडी नेशनल पर आप शक्तिमान कब देख पाएंगे। आप शक्तिमान को देख पाएंगे डीडी नेशनल पर हर रात 8 बजे।
बस भाई, हाउ आर यू ऑलरेडी नॉट बोर्ड ऑफ दिस शिट? पहली बात तो जो शो आने वाला है फिर से टीवी पे, वो है शक्तिमान, जो अभी किसी को नहीं देखना। सेकेंडली यार, आप बंदे का वीडियो और कॉन्फिडेंस तो देखो। So if you're wondering why am I wearing a different set of clothes, that's because it's a different day and you're expected to do that shit at home. Crazy, right? Next up in this image, you can see a woman who's actually cutting her own hair with a kitchen knife. That's right. She mentions in the video that she's doing this because she does not have scissors at home. Ironically, she also mentions that she's not going through a mental breakdown, if that's what you're wondering. So today I'll be discussing a few TV series and movies with you that you can maybe watch during this lockdown to pass time. I understand that there are a lot of content available, and now these days it's not easy to decide what's good and what's not. So I have come up with a list of all the TV series and episodes and the movies that I want to recommend to you for watching in this lockdown. And there might be some underrated content in this list. So maybe check it out. If you do not want to watch this video and आपने already सारा Netflix देख रखा है, तो you can skip to the next segment as mentioned. So the first TV series that I want to mention is Dark. It is available on Netflix and it's actually about science fiction and time travel. Now, I do not want to give you any more spoilers, but you should definitely go and check it out. It might take some patience from your side, but at the end, you're going to love it. The second thing that we have in today's list is the stand-up comedy by Kanan Gill called Yours Sincerely. Now you should definitely give it a watch if you are into witty jokes and you enjoy stand-up comedy that has actually a foundation of smart jokes. Okay, so the next TV series that I want you to check out is called Never Have I Ever. Now this might seem like a chick flick at first, but when you actually start watching it, it's nothing like it. It's a teen drama, light-hearted entertainment, and if you want to just pass time, this might be a good thing to go ahead with for some fun. The next thing that I wanted to watch is called Disjointed. Now, if the name is not self-explanatory, if you do not understand what this TV series might be about, better don't watch it. But if you do understand, this is a really funny TV series and I definitely want you to give it a watch, and I promise that you're going to enjoy it. Now, the next and the last thing that I'm going to cover in this particular segment of my show is called Patriot Act with Hasan Minhaj. I wanted to watch a particular episode from Volume 2, Episode 1. The episode is called Indian Elections. So you should definitely watch it if you are from India. He has a very funny way of giving you information and facts, and he'll keep you entertained throughout. And these facts are actually mind-blowing. So maybe give it a watch and let me know if you like my suggestions, and I'll come up with more in the next episode of Scotch with Somesh. आप आपके साथ कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि आप किसी एम्बैरेसिंग सिचुएशन या मुसीबत में फंसे हुए हो और भी लोग आपके साथ उसी सिचुएशन में फंसे हुए हैं, लेकिन फिर सम डे लकीली आप उस सिचुएशन से बाहर निकल जाते हो, लेकिन वहाँ पर और भी लोग अभी भी फंसे हुए रहते हैं. नाउ दे बिकम लाफिंग स्टॉक इवन फॉर यू, राइट? मेरे लिए ये सिचुएशन थी टीनेज. हालांकि मुझे 2-3 साल हो चुके हैं इस टीनेज से निकल कर, बट ट्रस्ट मी दैट शिट इज स्टिल रबिंग ऑफ. Now, I don't want teenagers to take offense, but maybe I do. I'm not saying that we are way better than you guys. I'm saying कि हम भी उतने ही बकचोद हैं जितने तुम हो. लेकिन हमारे लिए बकचोदी इज अ चॉइस. हम वो चीज़ बाय चॉइस कर सकते हैं, जबकि तुम्हें पता ही नहीं कि तुम कॉन्स्टेंटली बस वही कर रहे हो. वो फोटोज देखी होगी ना आपने, जो फेसबुक तुम्हें दिखा था कि 5 साल पहले आप इतने गधे दिखते थे. आपको पूरा का पूरा टीनेज वैसा लगने वाला है. आई एम नॉट किडिंग. नहीं, तुमने देखे ये पोस्ट देखे तुमने, जो स्टेटस आते 13-14 साल के लौंडों के कि हैशटैग ग्रोइंग अप इज टू हार्ड. क्या ग्रो कर लिया तुमने? शरीर पे थोड़े बाल के आने लगे, तुम्हें लग रहा तुम ग्रो हो रहे हो. My heart goes out to all the final year students because even I am in the same boat. For starters, we missed our graduation. और जो लोग फेयरवेल के होप्स लेकर बैठे, वो भी होप्स छोड़ ही दो, भूल ही जाओ. I'm sure most of the college students can relate to having missed bunking lectures, loitering in the college campus, maybe gossiping in the canteen and eating barely edible food, and maybe the sense of achievement that you only experience after the roll call after a boring lecture. So I'm pretty sure that the bachelors who stayed away from their parents and were living in the cities that they were studying in on rent, they did not fucking miss that one fucking uncle or that one fucking auntie who would make their lives miserable and fucking hell just because we are bachelors. Fuck you. So I know आपको इस सेगमेंट का नाम थोड़ा अजीब लग रहा होगा, but trust me, it's going to make sense in the next 10 seconds. So रोज सुबह सुबह उठकर मैं वेरियस सोर्सेज से बहुत सारा ज्ञान प्राप्त करता हूँ. अब ये जो सारा ज्ञान लोग मेरे ऊपर हक कर जाते हैं, उसमें से ही थोड़ा सा केयरफुली असॉर्टेड ज्ञान मैं यहाँ पर हक देने वाला. अब आपको इसमें से जो अच्छा लगे आप उठाकर ले जाओ, जो ना अच्छा लगे आप यहीं छोड़ कर जाओ. और जिन्हें कोई ज्ञान की ज़रूरत नहीं है और वो ऑलरेडी आत्मनिर्भर बन चुके हैं, लाइक भारत बाय द वे, वो बस 40 सेकंड तक मेरे साथ बने रहे. So I'll be covering this segment in only 40 seconds starting right now. So the first thing that I would like to mention here is the 5-minute rule. अभी वो रूल नहीं है जिसमें आप अगर खाना नीचे गिरा दो तो 5 मिनट के बाद उठाकर खा सकते हो. This is something much more sensible. In this rule, what it basically states is that if you ever have a pending list of tasks to do, whatever task can be done in the next 5 minutes, you should do it right now. And the last thing I want to say is, in a world full of millennials, sometimes be a boomer. Explore your childhood hobbies. Enjoy the little things that actually have some emotional or sentimental value to you. Only value social media to the extent that it's worth. Spend some time with your folks, get around some communication problems, and lastly, prioritize yourself in life.
While we all chase the love, we all chase the cars, we all chase the good life and broken hearts.
Thank you so much. It has been an amazing episode with you all. I hope you like this video and I hope you like my other videos. Do check out my other videos. Do follow me on Instagram under the handle Scotch on the Stars. And I'll be coming up with more abstract kind of videos. So, see ya.